This is how we're gonna go grab some eggs.
Where are you tossing them at? Where are you tossing them at?
Seemed like there was.
Against the fence. No, I'm not gonna throw.
Are you videoing it?
Yeah. Throw it really hard. Oh, go so I can see you throw. Throw them at the fence, not at the mosquito thing.
Oh, Ray, look what Papa can do.
Oh, Papa was juggling. Do it again, Papa.
Mima, look at this.
Try again. Ready, Ray? Hard.
I broke that thing in half.
Anybody else gonna throw any? Papa.
No, it broke it at the top. We're gonna break the fence. That was great.
All that work last night painting all those eggs. Oh, there goes my sunflowers. Jesse's fixing to destroy it. Yep. Is that fun?
Mima! Mima!
Oh, you're gonna throw Sleeping Beauty at the fence?
He never mattered to me anyway.
Oh,
I told her you worked hard on it. I don't really like Sleeping Beauty.
oh.
Look at the egg on the fence.
Pictures of your eggs?
Yeah.
Are you trying to take pictures of all of them?
I took them